In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your browsing history in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're trying to find a website you visited recently or simply curious about your web activities, accessing your browsing history is a breeze with just a few simple steps. First, let's make sure you have Microsoft Edge open. Once you've got it up and running on your computer, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice three small dots arranged vertically. This is often referred to as the More or Settings and More button. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu that provides you with a range of options. As you observe the drop-down menu, you want to look for an option labeled History. It's usually accompanied by an icon that resembles a small clock with an arrow curving around it. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. By selecting History, you're telling Edge that you want to take a look at the records of your past web visits. After clicking, a new panel will appear, displaying a comprehensive list of websites you've visited in the past. Here, you'll find a detailed timeline of your browsing activities, organized in a neat chronological order. This list can help you recall which sites you've been to and when. If you're hunting for a particular site, you can easily scroll through this list to find it. At the top of this panel, you'll notice a search bar. If you're looking for something specific and remember part of the name or URL, you can type it into the search bar to locate it more efficiently. And there you have it. That's all it takes to access your browsing history in Microsoft Edge. These steps ensure that whether you're trying to revisit important information or simply keep track of your digital footprint, you're effectively navigating your way through your past web activities. Before we wrap up, a couple of useful tips. If you're someone who frequently needs to refer back to past websites, consider bookmarking those you visit often to save you time in the future. And if privacy is a concern, you also have the ability to clear your history. This can be done right from this panel with a simple click on Clear Browsing Data. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's tutorial. We hope you found this step-by-step guide easy to follow and helpful for managing your web history in Microsoft Edge. If you have any questions or need further assistance with other features, feel free to drop a comment or explore our other tutorials. Have a great day browsing.